Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the block blast glitch that changed everything. First, open the block blast game on your mobile device and let it load completely. When the game opens, you'll see a prompt asking you to accept terms or permissions. Tap on accept to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to allow notifications or access to certain features. Then, tap on allow to grant necessary permission for the game to work properly. Now start playing the game. Play as usual and enjoy the puzzle action. To activate the glitch, simply exit the game by pressing the home button or using the black function on your device. After exiting, go back to your home screen and reopen the block blast game. When the game loads again, the glitch should now be fixed, and it will likely alter how things function, possibly changing game mechanics or how progress is tracked. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below, see you in the next one.